There are some special rules for rolling doubles. When a player rolls two of the same dice, they will actually get four moves for the face up number on the dice. So in this example, you could move one checker, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or you could move any number of checkers four times. So here, here, and finally here. Any of those moves would be fine. What you can't do is move this checker 1, 2. Even if you plan to continue forward, it can't stop on the 2 point because it's blocked. So this checker would be unable to be moved on this turn.